Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adria. I study at the University of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka. I chose a bachelor degree in mathematics education. We all were to pray for each other's belief. Okay, Fahmi, to begin to pray.
Okay, Mr. My friends and Mr. Adrian, before studying, praying begins. Finish.
All right. I will start the subject exponential function and logarithm grade 10. Okay, this is material exponential and function logarithm grade 10. Number 1, power positive integers. Here we learn the power of numbers. We know power a equals a power 2 a Okay, we know a multiplication a equals a power 2, a multiplication a equals a power 3 h, and a multiplication n times n equals a power n, where n is a positive integer. A power n is a power of whose base n is n induct the power is n. So example a power 2 equals a multiplication a. This is a sample a is base, so in this exponent or index, or you call exponential. Okay. Okay. Power number 2, power 0. Zero exponent rule, considering several ways in which can define. Exponential, we can derive the zero exponent rule by considering the following: x power 2 divide power 2 x power 2 equals 1, considering the division rule. When we divide numbers with the same base, we subtract and subtract the exponent. X power 2 divide power 2 equals x 2 exponent x 2 divide subtract 2 equals x x 0, but we already know that x 2 divide power 2 equals 1. Therefore, x 0 equals 1. So example 2 power 0 is 1. 3 power 0 equals 1. So this example 0 exponent power 0. Hence we can conclude that any number except 0 to the 0 power is 1. Verification of the zero exponent rule. Let the number x power 0 be an exponential term. In this case, x is the base and the 0 is the exponent. But since we know that multiplication of 1 and any exponential number is equivalent to the exponential number itself. Example 8 power 0 equals 1 multiplication 8 power 0 equals 1 multiplication 1. Now we write the number 1 and the base number 10 0 times. 8 power 0 equals 1. Therefore, it is proven that any number or expression raised to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. In other words, or if the exponent is 0, then the result 1. The general form of zero exponent rule is given by a power 0 equals 1 and a divided b equal power 0 equals 1. So number 3, power negative integers. We have a set of rules or laws for negative exponent which make the process simplification easy. Below are the basic rule for solving negative exponent. Rule 1, the negative exponent rule states that for every number a with the negative exponent n minus n, take the reciprocal of the base, multiply it according to the value of the exponent. A power minus n equals 1 divide a divide a power n equals 1 divide a multiplication 1 multiplication 1 divide a multiplication n times. Rule 2, the rule for the negative exponent in the denominator suggests that for a negative exponent, the denominator suggests that every number a in the denominator and its negative exponent minus n, the result can be written as 1 divide a minus n minus power minus n equals a power n equal a multiplication n times. Number 4, properties of power numbers. Power of power property. This power property states that power of a power can be found by multiplying the exponent. That the four non-zero real number a and the two integers m and n. A power m multiplication n equals a multiplication a power m multiplication n products of the power property. This property states that multiply powers having the same base as the exponent. That is, for a real number non-zero a, two integers m and n, a power n multiplication a power n equals a power m power m summation n equation of the power property. This property states that to divide powers having the same base, subtract the exponent. That is, for non-zero real number a, number a and two integers m and n. Power f a product property. This property states that the power of a product can be obtained by finding the powers of each factor and multiplying them. That is, for any two non-zero real numbers a and b and integers m a multiplication b power m equals a power m multiplication m. Power of equation property. This property states that the power of equation can be obtained by finding the powers of numerator and denominator and dividing them. That's it for any two non-zero real numbers and numbers a and b and any integers m. Number 5, understanding exponential function. So exponential function have to the form fx equals b power x, where b bigger than 0 and not equal 1, just as in any exponential expression, b is called the base and the x is called the exponent. An example of exponential function is the growth of bacteria. Some bacteria double every hour. If you start with the bacterium and doubles every hour, you will have 2 power x bacteria after x hours. This can be written as if x equals 2 power x. So example, before you start, if 0 equals 2, power 0 equals 1, after 1 hour, v1 equals 2, power 1 equals 2 in a hours, v2 equals 2 power 2 equal 4, v if 2 power 3 equals 8, and so on. With the definition, if x equals b power 8, and the restriction that b bigger than 0 and b not equals 1, the domain of an exponential function of the real number. The range is the set of all positive real number following graph. Following graph show vx equals 2 power x. So number 6, general form of exponential function. Since the natural exponential function a power x is differentiable, is continuous, its range is all y bigger than 0. So if b is a positive, definition general exponential function for any b bigger than 0, and for any x we define b power x by bx equals natural logarithm b, the function y equals b power x is called the exponential function of the base b. The general exponential function refers to the exponential function y equals b power x, where the base b can be any positive number. Recall that the natural exponential function y equals x power x, y h a equals x, a power x is the exponential function, the particular base a. The intermediate value theorem assures that there exists k such as the a power k equals b, thus b power x equals a power k multiplication x equals a power k multiplication x. Now because a power k equals b, we have k equals logarithm b. Consequently, bx equals e power logarithm bx multiplication x, the equals a power x logarithm b. Note that the equation b power x, the a power x logarithm b can also be obtained as follows as a power x and the x are inverse of each other. We have b logarithm b. Hence b power x a logarithm b power x equals a power x logarithm b. Define b power x to be a power a x logarithm b. So next exponential function graph. So you can have picture x minus 3 x minus 3. So you can this dot minus 3 to through to y h yeah. Okay, the dot okay minus 2 2 y equals to power x equals minus 2 0 to 5 to dot minus 2 to the 0 3 to 5. So the next okay, this is drawing exponent graphic. You can have look number 1 example number 1 graph some equals 3 power x. You can have to look to number 2 when while the Epstein plot point in my two chart teacher only has many as 5 or reasonable to plot, so I plot them. So you will have the graph skying along the top of the x-axis on the left hand side. After you can the finish the exponential graph as graph e equals 3 power x. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9, logarithmic equation. The product rule states the sum of two logarithms is equal to the product of the logarithm. The first law is represented as log b x plus log b y log b x multiplication y. The equation rule the difference of the two logarithms and x and y is equal to the ratio of equal logarithms. The power rule log b x power n and log b x. So you can write example log b 2x 5 an example 4 you can write 1/4 multiplication log for log b2 still here stay here x stay still same. So you can look our rule this example. The next, the change of the base rule. Log b x equals log log a x divide log a b in the identity the logarithm of any positive number to the same base of the number is always 1. b power 1 equals b log b equal multiplication b equals 1. Example, logarithm of the number 1 to any non-zero base is always 0. Okay, next. Logarithmic inequality. So logarithmic inequality are inequality in which one or both the side involve are logarithms like exponential inequality. They are useful in analyzing situations involving repeat multiplication, such as in the case of the interest and exponential decay. If a bigger one and x bigger y, then log a x bigger than log a y, otherwise of 0 0 small than a bigger than 1, then log a x big small than log a y. Of course, the base of the logarithm cannot be 1 or non-positive. More importantly, the converse is true as well. If a 0 a bigger than 1 and log a x bigger log a y, then x bigger than y, otherwise f. If 0 small than a 0 1, then x big small than y. So in more formal term, in logarithmic function Vx the equals log a x monotonically increasing x always increase Vx for a bigger than 1 and monotonically decreasing. Fortunately, both of these facts are quite initial when the base is greater than 1. The side with the larger argument will be greater 1, and opposite is the true when the base is less than 1. For instance, without any knowledge of the facts formalized above, one would intuitively expect log 2 0 logs 100 to be larger than log 2 95. It's also important to keep in mind the following facts. In the argument of a logarithm must be positive, thus it's also necessary to take into account any inequality result from argument being positive. For example, an inequality involving the term log 2 0 at 2x minus 3 immediately requires x bigger than 3 divided 2. So example, what follow f on the values f satisfy the following inequality. Log 2x plus 2 bigger than log 2 3x times the base is the 2 which is greater than 1. The fact that log 2x plus 3 bigger than log 2 3x implies that 2x plus 3 bigger than 3x. Subtracting 2x from both sides gives x bigger than 1. Additionally, the argument of the both logarithm must be positive. So additionally, 3x bigger than 0 and 2x plus 3 bigger than 0. The first is more specific stress 3 slash s x bigger than 0, so the final solution set is 2 0 smaller than x bigger than 3. So you can now assessment no worksheet. So you can now you can now so today you do this exercise carefully. Okay. Okay. All is done. Okay. If it's finished, we will end our lesson today. Before we end, let's pray according to our respective religious belief. Fahmi, you can begin to pray.
Okay. Before, after the studying, with praying begins. Finish.
Okay. Okay. Every study. Okay. Everyone to leave the Zoom. We will begin the end the end subject material exercise this. Okay, I will end. So goodbye to the next day, guys.